Hi, my name's Nicholas Fell. I'm a third year apprentice in Howden. I work at CNC Milton Centre.
So, hi, I'm David Monroe. I'm a second year apprentice with Howden. I'm 21 years old.
I went for an interview at EKGT, the training centre that Howden use, and I'd already applied online, so with both of them going for the interview and applying online, I ended up getting into it through that. Just done my 6th year in high school. I graduated with a few highers in maths and physics, and I've done some practical skills as well as woodworking, metalworking, and that kind of helped me get into it just from a practical aspect, but also the college aspect. Doing a HND, you need to do a bit of maths and physics and stuff's quite good to have. You first start and you are doing about 6 months in the training centre, and that's where you learn basic kind of hand fitting skills, assembly skills, a bit electrical, just general stuff that will help you in the factory once you move over. And then you do a year and a half rotation where you rotate around the factory and do a wee bit of time in every section. So the rotor line, casing line, inspection, general assembly, rear shaft assembly, and then after that you should have a section that you're kind of familiar with and you'd like to work in, and then you do 2 years finishing up in that section. When your time's served, you usually work in that section, and then throughout the 4 years you're usually doing a day release college as well. So whether it's NC and then moving on to HNC, or HNC moving on to HND.
On a daily basis in Howden, your main one's going to be teamwork. Your work isn't solely based, you're not producing the whole thing by yourself, so you're working with people before you and the people after you, letting you know what's happened, what you've done, and what they need to do, maybe correct something that you've done.
You use a variety of skills. You do a lot of communication, a lot of maths, kind of problem solving. You use hand skills constantly, just with general fitting and assembly.
So what I like about working at Howden is the confidence that they give you in doing the work that you can. There's a lot of faith put in you to be able to just go off yourself and work yourself after they've trained you to be sort of confident in what you're doing. It's really good to have that as an apprentice.
My name is Ryan Walker and I'm a graduate engineer here at Howden.
Hi, I'm Chloe Newlands and I'm a graduate at Howden in Rouen.
So I've seen the role advertised online, and then I've done some more research through the Howden website, which has a part for the graduates. For the first 2 years of the programme, I go around different departments in 10-week placements. These are in varying departments ranging from engineering to project management, to get a general overview of the business. After those 2 years, I settle in a department, a full-time role, and work towards the chartered status with the Institute of Mechanical Engineers. So I left school at the end of 6th year with some hires, and I went on to university to study a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. And after completing that, I went on and continued my studies with a master's degree in mechanical engineering.
So I left high school with some hires and some advanced hires, and then moved on to university to do an integrated master's in Edinburgh, and then I had a few bits of experience as well. So I did some experience with a local engineering company, and then some experience with the uni doing some research and some extracurricular stuff there as well.
My advice would be to choose subjects at school that align with engineering, so maths, physics, chemistry, that type of thing. And then if you can, just get any experience within an engineering business, just drop an email and see if you can come in for a few days to see if it's really for you and to just gain the experience.
My advice would be to definitely make sure if you can get experience if you can, that always helps. And also teamwork is really important, so any chance you get to make the most of teamwork at uni and doing group projects, it makes a huge difference because in the workplace you're always working alongside other people, so communication and good team working skills are really important.
I've created a 3D model of an impeller that's going to be used in a test rig that we're currently making. And after I made the impeller here on Inventor, I've taken it across and done a stress analysis. So we can see here the stresses that are in the blade. So it's important this because if the stresses are too high, then the blade could break when it's operating.
So I've been currently working on Inventor, working on design modifications for a part of a gas reheater. So I've been making changes to this end pillar part. This has involved changing different sizes and dimensions of the overall design within Inventor, and then also changing some of the coding behind it just to make sure that it pulls through for different parts and different sizes of gas heaters. It's been really interesting to do, and I didn't really know how to do it before, but the team's been really helpful in teaching me how to do this and getting the project to work. So that's been my main project over the past few weeks.